Solving equations with exponents and common bases. The first thing you want to make sure is that they do have common bases. So let's use this as an example here. These two do not have common bases. The left side and the right side do not. And you cannot reduce one side in order to get the same base as the other, which means that this cannot be solved using the methods we're about to show. And the reasoning behind how this method will work has to do with log. And so that will be a little more advanced, and we'll go over that in another video. So for now, I'm just going to use the word disregard. But understand that when I say disregard now, what I really mean is you're going to do log and division. But like I said, we'll go over that in another video. So we can see here, these both have 3 as the base, which means we can disregard the 3 and rewrite just the exponents being equal to one another. So we'll rewrite that as 2x equals 14. All right, now from here we can just solve for x, and we get, this is the big one, and we get 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. All right, again, we come here and we see, all right, these both have the same base, and we will again disregard the 2's and just set these two expressions equal to another and solve for x. So now we're going to get 3x plus 4 equals 13. So we will subtract 4 from each side. So here we will get 0, and we'll get 3x equals 13 minus 4, which is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3. This gives us a 1, which will just leave us with x on this left side, and then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equals 3. All right, now these right away we can notice that they do not have the same bases. This is 9 and this is 3, but we know that we can reduce 9 into a expression that has 3 as the base, and that is by doing 3 squared. So now this gives us a stacked exponent equal to 3 to the power 14. And we know with stacked exponents, you multiply them. So this is going to become 3 to the power of 2 times 2x, which is going to be 3 to the power of 4x. And again, we will disregard the base. And in the end, we will get 4x equals 4, divide both sides by 4, and, well, we'll get 1 on both sides. So we will get x equals 1. All right, finally, here, they both, on the left side, share the same base, and they're multiplied together, which means we can add their exponents. So this is going to become 5 to the power of 2 plus 2, which is 4. And this is equal to 25 to the power of x. Now we know we can reduce 25 to be 5 squared, and that gives us a stacked exponent, so 5 squared x, which then can be rewritten as 5 to the power of 4 equals 5 to the 2x, and we will disregard the bases and get 4 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2 to get x alone, and the coefficient to be 1. And I'm going to rewrite x on the left side just so it's easier to read. We get x equals 4 divided by 2, which is 2. All right, and I just want to emphasize again that every time I've been saying disregard, know that there's actually some underlying math that occurs, but that will be gone over in another video.